Realme is reportedly prepping for the launch of its next flagship offering, the Realme GT 7 Pro. According to a recent report, the company could be aiming for an early November launch in China. This seems possible as the alleged device has already been approved by the country's 3C certification platform. Now, Digital Chat Station, a well-known leaker, has revealed information about its battery. According to DCS, the Realme GT 7 Pro will feature a carbon silicon battery with a capacity exceeding 6,000 mAh, making it the largest battery capacity in the history of the Realme brand. Unfortunately, the exact battery size is not known yet. According to the device's 3C certification, its retail package may include a 120-watt charger. To recall, the GT5 from last year featured a 5,400 mAh battery with 100 watts charging support, despite packing a 120-watt rapid charger. Since the GT7 Pro is expected to pack a silicon carbon battery, it is expected to arrive with a significant increase in battery size. Like the GT5 Pro, the successor edition may also support 50-watt wireless charging. The GT7 Pro's upgraded battery size and charging capabilities will solidify Realme's position in the high-performance smartphone market by meeting users' dual demands for long battery life and fast charging. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip further strengthens Realme's standing in the high-performance smartphone segment. Regarding other specifications, the GT7 Pro is expected to come with a 6.78-inch BOE screen, offering a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a micro-quad curved design. It is expected to arrive with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, an ultrasonic and screen fingerprint scanner, and an IP69 rated chassis. It may feature a 32-megapixel front camera and a rear camera setup equipped with an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel LYT600 periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom.